So we have a monster robot. Right now we have a monster robot. Vision 2.8 is very, very good. But upgrading to 2.9, there were some suggestions from the guys. So I'm going to add the features that they want. But already version 2.8 is very, very good. Trust me, it's very good, guys. So yeah, we just won this trade. We just won this trade. I mean, look at this. Look at the accuracy, right? It lost this trade and then it martingaled and then it went back to one. So I mean, we have a monster robot. It just took another trade. Yeah, man. So if you want to get your hands on this robot, just message me on Telegram. And please be careful, guys. There are a lot of people who are scamming. Just make sure you use the proper account for whenever you're messaging me, right? My only Telegram account is this. Let me show you. Uh, it is this one here. Um, this is the one. This is the one. This is the one, right? Um, it says at Bond Trader FX, not any other thing. It says at Bond Trader FX. That's my account. Besides that, it's not my account. So, anyways, that's it, guys. If you want the robot, make sure you contact the right person, right? So, yeah. This is it. This is it.